Hello, my name is Brandon Davies. I'm an attorney with Roth Davies Trial Lawyers based in Overland Park, Kansas. In this series of videos, I'm talking about in the municipal courts in which I commonly practice in. This specific video, we're going to be talking about Lenexa Municipal Court. Now, Lenexa Municipal Court is located off of Interstate 35 and 87th Street. If you turn west on 87th, you're going to go about a half mile or so, and on your right, you're going to see the courthouse in the Lenexa Municipal Complex. The courthouse is actually part of a larger complex in which contains both the Lenexa Police Headquarters and the Lenexa City Hall. The actual address for Lenexa Municipal Court is 12400 West 87th Street Parkway in Lenexa, Kansas. The types of charges that are common in Lenexa Municipal Court, well, Lenexa has a large amount of traffic stops. With Interstate 35 and the various roads that go through Lenexa, those traffic stops generally will lead to not only traffic-related crimes like driving on suspended license or driving without a license, but also other crimes associated with traffic like DUI charges, marijuana possession charges, drug paraphernalia, things of that nature. There's also a fair amount of retail stores in Lenexa. Having many retail stores generally leads to shoplifting charges or theft charges. Lenexa also has a fair amount of bars, pool halls, things of that nature, things that people go to get entertained and drink at, which will lead to alcohol-related crimes like battery, disorderly conduct, minor possession of alcohol, things of that nature. Lenexa also has a small docket for codes violations. Codes violations are usually associated with the maintenance of a business or a building or a home in Lenexa. And lastly, there are a few pet violation charges. Charges in which people don't have their dog on a leash, let their dog out, don't have their dog registered, things of that nature. Now, the actual courthouse in Lenexa, when you walk in, if you're going on a day in which court is being conducted, you're going to have security personnel there. They're going to have a metal detector to screen you when you go into the courtroom. Now, if you go on a day in which court is not in session, there won't be court security present and you can just go to the court clerk's office if necessary. Now, the courtroom is a medium-sized courtroom, has seating for about 60 people. The courtroom also has multimedia set up so that the lawyers can present evidence, videos, things of that nature to the judge. The court also has the ability to link up with the various different correctional facilities in Johnson County to see in-custody defendants, people that aren't able to come to court because they're in custody, in jail, something like that, and unable to come in. The courthouse makes up a large part of the Lenexa Municipal Complex. The Lenexa Municipal Prosecutor's Office is located in the Lenexa Municipal Complex, but the Lenexa Municipal Prosecutors are only generally available to talk with defendants and lawyers while court is in session. If you find yourself charged with a crime in Lenexa, you need to speak with an experienced criminal defense lawyer that has experience in Lenexa Municipal Court. If you need help, feel free to contact my office at 913-451-9500.